Vasu here from Tunex Audio, Auckland, New Zealand. We got this brand new 2025 Harley Street Glide in for an audio upgrade. So we'll be doing a stage 3 on this bike. You can see this just came out of the showroom. It's the newer style fairing. So stay tuned, guys. Fuse blocks are done. Prepped all the quick disconnects for the saddlebag. That's going to be run together with the LEDs and all of that. So we just finished on the 2025 Street Glide, did a stage 3 using Cicada amplifiers. We did a FLX 7.4 on bridge to the 8-inch mid-bass drivers in each saddlebag. Did a Cicada DSP 600.4D. So this is actually a DSP built-in amplifier. We tapped into the Rockfoot amplifier from factory, so it gives us the signal. We all did the plug-and-play solution using the NVS Audio T harness. Shout out to Carlos for sending that through. To mount these amplifiers in these bikes is a super challenging job. This bike has a very limited amount of space within the fairing area, so we had to do a amp rack using PVC plastic, and had to actually mount the amplifier on an angle so it sits right above the headlight. Ground zero yellow basket speakers, coax in the front. Hertz SX 690 Neos using the Hertz lit kit. Tidy wiring so you can still have enough bag space to put his stuff in it. Hertz SV200Ls, quick disconnects, waterproof grommets on the saddlebags. Now I will play it through and you guys be able to have a listen to it.
Back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie. See us in the club, just show a little love, represent your side like me. 'Cause round here, if you slip, you catch a hop. When niggas run shotgun, cover have to go and buy the bar. Some soap from Shelby and the cake. And with the things